Yeah, so we now have new rumors for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and more on Samsung flagships that are still going to come at the end of the year. The new Note 20 right now, the leaks from what I'm seeing, they're already saying it's going to come out around August instead of September, October launch that it normally comes out. But right now you're just gonna be getting it very early. I don't know whether it's because of the pandemic, but they are trying to I think they're trying to spin it that Samsung wants to like make sales or build back sales. I think their S20 lineup didn't do very well early this year, so they are trying to kind of like bring out new stuff that can at least get people buying more of their stuff. The new flagship, the Note 20, would come with around 6.9-inch display, which you would get in the S20 Ultra. It's gonna come with some new, not really big new features, but some a little bit better features than the S20 lineup. You're going to get 5G connectivity. You're going to get the 120 Hz refresh rate. You're also going to get decent wireless support and all that. The phone should come with good cameras that should compete with the previous flagship that they launched this year, which is the S20 Ultra. No word on the camera quality that you'll be getting with this, but just expect that the camera will be a little bit better than the S20 Ultra. The other rumor is that Samsung is trying to launch other devices like the Galaxy Fold 2. The Galaxy Fold 2 is gonna be an all glass thing. I think the body will be more or less made of glass. I don't know how it will be very good for using it around, because most of Samsung products, they crack easily. A lot of people complain of their products not really having a good strong body design generally. So I don't know whether all glass will be so good for the Galaxy Fold 2, but that's what is being rumored right now. The Samsung event will hold in August, early August, 5th of August. So maybe by then they will officially announce these products. The Note 20 would be more or less promoted to business workers generally, or people that do business with their devices. The Samsung brand is trying to even launch another flagship called the S20 Fan Edition. I really wouldn't call that another flagship because the S20 exists. I think they're trying to make this S20 more appealing to people that would have wanted to buy it but couldn't afford the original S20 lineup. So I don't know the price on the S20 Fan Edition, but it's definitely coming out alongside with the Galaxy Fold 2 and the Note 20 as well. So guys, that's pretty much the news and rumors right now from Samsung. Be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.